Today I'm going to show you how to add an image hover effect to your Hostinger website step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This is a great little design trick that can make your site feel more interactive, more modern, and more professional without needing any code. If you want your images to stand out when visitors move their mouse over them, this tutorial is exactly for you. And before we jump in, if you find this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account by going to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click on Websites. This is where all of your Hostinger websites are listed. Find the website you want to edit, then click Edit Website next to it. That will open up the Hostinger website builder so you can start making changes directly on your page. Now that the builder is open, the next step is to access the image settings. Find the image element on your page that you want to apply the hover effect to. Click directly on that image. Once it's selected, you should see an Edit Image button appear above or near the element. Click that button to open the Image Settings panel. Inside the Settings panel, look for the Animation tab and click it. Scroll down until you find the Hover Effect option. This is the section that controls what happens when someone moves their mouse over the image. Now click the drop-down menu for Hover Effect and choose the animation you want. A popular choice is Zoom In because it gives a clean and noticeable interactive effect. But you can explore the other options too if you want something a little different. The goal here is to pick an effect that matches the style of your website and feels smooth instead of distracting. Once you make your selection, the effect should be applied immediately in the editor. Next, it's time to test it. Hover your cursor directly over the image inside the editor canvas and check to see if the effect appears. If the preview doesn't fully show it, you can also click Preview to view the page as a visitor would see it. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that the hover animation looks good and behaves the way you want before publishing. If everything looks right, the final step is to save and publish your changes. In the top right corner, click Update Website or Go Live, depending on what your Hostinger editor shows. That will push your hover effect live so visitors can see it on your website. And that's it, you've now added an image hover effect to your Hostinger website. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in how polished and interactive your site feels. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy website tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.